Good morning to everybody. We are doing exercise 6.3. We completed two questions. Today we will start question number 3. The question is AM is the median of a triangle ABC. So already you know that. What is meant by median? The line segment joining from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So what it is given for you, AM is the median. So you can conclude that BM is equal to CM. BM equal to CM. AM is the median of a triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Is greater than 2AM. Okay. So we know that, but we know that the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Always greater than the third side. Now, in triangle ABM, solution in triangle ABM, AB plus BM is greater than AM. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Now, in triangle ACM, these are the two sides. What are the two sides? AC plus CM is greater than AM. So let it be equation number 2. Let it be equation number 2. Now we need 2AM in the right hand side. So what we can do? Add 1 and 2. So first you add the left hand side in both of the equation, that is AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. AM plus AM. Right? How are you getting this one? See, suppose if 3 is greater than 2. Am I right? And then 4 is greater than 3. Now adding these two, 3 plus 4 is what? 7. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Then 7 is also greater than 5. Are you getting here? So we can add these two equations. The inequality will not change. So AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. Now AB, rearrange this term like BM plus CM plus AC. AM plus AM is nothing but 2AM. AM plus AM is nothing but 2AM. Now BM plus AM is what? BC. BM plus AM is what? BC. So therefore AB plus BC plus CA, which one? This BM plus CM can be written as BC. BM plus CM is gives BC. So AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Right? This what we have to prove. What we have to prove? AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Greater than 2AM. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the fourth one? Yeah. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So it's very simple. Quadrilateral is given. What is a quadrilateral? ABCD. You have to prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Is greater than AC plus BD. Question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. What is meant by quadrilateral? Yeah, four-sided polygon is called as what? Quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon. Now, ABCD is a quadrilateral. You have to prove that what it is given for you is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Is greater than AC plus BD. Right? Yeah, AC and then BD here. AC and BD here. Okay. First you consider the triangle ABC now. First you consider the triangle ABC now. In triangle ABC, so the sum of any two sides, that is AB and BC. So you have to write down the reason everywhere, Kanna, please. AB plus BC is greater than AC. That means what? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Are you getting here? So let it be equation number 1. Then consider the triangle BCD now. In triangle BCD, this BC plus CD is greater than BD. The sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, BC plus CD is greater than BD. So let it be equation number 2. And then after that, you can consider another triangle. Which triangle? In triangle CDA. In triangle CDA. That CD plus DA is greater than AC. CD in triangle CDA, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Let it be equation number 3. And then fourth part, consider the triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, what are the two sides? Leave the diagonal. That AD plus AB, otherwise DA plus AB is greater than DB. DA plus AB is greater than DB. Let it be equation number 4. Now adding all this there, what will you get? Adding equation 1. Adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. First you add the left hand side, AB plus BC, then BC plus CD, plus CD plus DA, plus DA plus AB is greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Are you getting here? AC plus BD, again plus AC plus BD. Right? Now AB plus AB is what? 2AB. BC plus BC is 2BC. CD plus CD is 2CD. AB plus AB. Then BC plus BC. CD plus CD 2CD. Plus AD plus AD 2AD. Is greater than. Then AC plus AC is what? 2AC. AC plus AC is what? 2AC plus 2BD. Am I right? Now take two commoners outside from the left hand side, that is 2 times of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 times of AC plus BD. 2 times of AC plus BD. Now this is, suppose this is inequality for you. 16 is greater than 8. Suppose if you are dividing any non-zero constant on the both sides, that is 16 by 2, 8 by 2. So what will you get? 4 2s are 8, here 8 2s are 16. Then again the inequality remains same, that is 8 is greater than 4 only. So what I am going to do? I am going to divide by 2 here. So 2 times of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA divided by 2 is greater than 2 times of AC plus BD by 2. The inequality remains same. Right? When we are multiplying minus with the both sides, when in an inequality, when are you multiplying the minus side, then the inequality it changes. For example, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Suppose if you are multiplying by minus 2, what will you get? Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. Minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. Then inequality changes. 2 is less than 3. While multiplying by minus, what will you get? 2. When you are multiplying by minus, you will get 3. The inequality changes. Are you getting here? Yes. Here, so what you have to prove that? Therefore, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Is greater than AC plus BD. Are you getting here? Yes. So what is the next question? Okay. We will see the next question in the next video. Thank you everybody. Thank you.